Hi dear, it's me Amit, and in this tutorial you are going to learn how you can create a utensils or any kind of round shape objects using Screw Modifier. It is a very useful one. So let's get started. Let's see how to do it. Okay, that's one for the front view. I'll add a bezier curve. I'll go to the edit mode by pressing tab, then press X and delete the segment. Now take that draw tool and start drawing the shape you want. Okay, here I am going to create a glass. I'm just drawing the shape, something like this. Okay, now I'll take this to rotate. I'm going to rotate it. Now press A, press tab. Now here I'll add a Screw Modifier. Now you can see if I go to the edit mode, I can again modify the shape. Okay, something like this. Okay, so you can see how beautifully we can create something, a glass or anything like this. If I delete it, I'm going to delete them again, or it's better to right. Now I'll add a bezier again and press tab, X and delete the segments. Take the draw tool, start drawing whatever you want to create. I am going to create. You can create many things. Let's see what happens if I add a Screw Modifier. You can see you can create a very beautiful. Now I can use this and create a beautiful shape like this. Or I can use this to close the gap. Okay. I'll press Shift A, add a bezier curve. Again I'll delete the segment. I'll take the draw tool and I'll create a glass. Then I'll add a Screw Modifier. I'll go to the edit mode and so you can create anything you want, okay, using this technique. Press tab X, dissolve, and now if I take the draw tool, there are some more options. Like if I create something wavy, and now if I take something like this, if I create something like this, I will press tab and I'll add a Screw Modifier. You'll see what will happen. Here you see it creates very beautiful shapes. Okay, press tab. I'll click it and just move it. Now you can see we have created. We can create lots of shapes using this technique. I can use the pin. I'll use the. You can choose any curve. It does not matter. Again, I'll use it. And this time maybe I'll create some. Let's see what should I create? Let's create something like this. I can create. Something like this. Add a screw, Do you see this? How beautifully we can set the step again. Press B and you can make it automatic. I can create any shape I want, okay? So I create something like this. Now I add a Screw Modifier and there you go. Control C to go back. Okay, so now I can create any shape. After creating it, if I go to the input, you can see there are some points, but for that you have to just click and convert it to mesh. Okay, now they are all mesh. Okay, if I press tab, you can see these are now completely meshed very beautifully. The topology it looks good. Okay, so this is a very useful technique, creating utensil, balls, or any shape you want. Okay, I hope you learned a lot. So I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.